Hello students, in this video we shall try to understand the sign conventions. So sign conventions play a very important role in circuit analysis. Okay, so there are actually two ways. Okay, one sign convention is actually applicable for EMF source. Okay, one sign convention is applicable for EMF source. Then second one is actually applicable for I into R, that is the product of current and resistance. Okay, the interpretation for the sign convention for EMF source and the product of current and resistance is different. Okay, let us discuss these things one by one. So for EMF source, know that EMF source is nothing but a battery which we can represent like this, right? Or we can also represent like this. Remember that for battery, the larger line indicates that it is positive and the smaller line indicates that it is negative. Okay, let us make some arbitrary indications on this particular diagram. Okay, let us say that this is point A and this is point B. Remember that now we are discussing about the sign convention for EMF source. Now, if I am moving from the direction A to B, then you see that actually I am moving from positive to negative. So whenever I move from positive to negative, it will become drop, so that you have to write down the voltage as negative. Similarly, for the same circuit, let us say that if we are tracing the circuit from B to A. So B to A is what actually negative to positive. So what is the meaning for negative to positive is, if you see here, whenever we move from negative to positive, it will be actually rise in the potential. So rise in the potential is given as positive. Okay, so now you can easily understand that whatever might be the voltage you write, it should be, for this case it would be actually plus X volts and for the first case it will be, as you can see, for this case it will be, whatever might be the value, it will be minus X volts. Okay, so this is the sign convention for EMF source. So let us extend this example for the second circuit, second battery notation, whatever I have drawn. Let us say that this is again A, this is B. Now let us say that we are tracing in the direction A to B. So whenever we trace out the direction from A to B, actually we are moving from negative to positive. Okay, so for the second battery symbol, so whenever you move from negative to positive, it will be rise in the potential. So whenever it is in the rise in the potential, it will be positive. Now for the same battery, if I move from B to A, you see that actually I am moving from positive to negative. So whenever I move from positive to negative, it will be always drop, so that it will be always minus negative. So in this case, it will be, let us say that plus Y volts, for example, and for the second case it will be minus Y volts. Okay, whereas in each of the notations, X and Y could be any arbitrary voltages. Okay, so let us complete this example. Okay, we'll have a conclusion for this, so that we shall say that here we have 2 volts and here we have 3 volts. Okay, So for the analysis, whatever I have explained you till now, so this will be actually what? It will be minus 2 volts, this will be plus 2 volts, and this will be minus, I mean to say that it will be minus 3 volts, and this way will be plus 3 volts. Okay, thank you all.